Today I'm cooking on the Ninja FlexFlame and we're gonna make smoked pulled pork using my Girls Can Grill pork rub. Let's get started. You're gonna take the pork butt out of the packaging and pat it dry with paper towels, then sprinkle it all over with my Girls Can Grill pork rub. Be sure to get the tops, bottoms, and sides. Then we're gonna go ahead and set up the Ninja FlexFlame to the low and slow setting with a temperature of 250 degrees. I'm adding in some wood pellets and pushing that wood fire flavor button so I can get maximum smoke on this pork butt. Add the seasoned pork butt to the FlexFlame and just let it cook until it reaches an internal temperature of about 150 degrees. When cooking on the Ninja FlexFlame, the pellets are gonna last about 45 minutes. If you wanna add more smoke flavor, just refill that pellet box all the way up to the wrap stage. Usually it'll take about 2 to 3 refills. Once it reaches that point, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I like using butter, brown sugar, maple syrup, and some more of that pork rub. I usually put a little bit on the bottom and a little bit on the top. Wrap it up tight. I'm using 3 pieces of foil so that none of it will leak out. Go ahead and put that back on the FlexFlame, and now you're gonna keep on cooking it until it reaches an internal temperature of just over 200 degrees. That is the perfect shredding level. Once it's all done, you're gonna wanna let it rest for 30 minutes to up to 2 hours. And then after that point, put on your gloves and get to shredding. You know when the bone pulls clean, you've got a winner. And now to add just a bit more flavor, we're gonna sprinkle it with some more of my pork rub. So tender, completely shreddable, and golly, just look at how juicy this is. That's it, guys. You can eat this plain, you can throw it on tacos, you can throw it on sandwich buns with some barbecue sauce, onions, and pickles. Eat it all up today or freeze some and save it for future meals. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to hit like and subscribe so you never miss a video.